Recently, I've been playing through 3rd gen Pokemon games. While enjoying my childhood memories with these games, there was unfortunately one bothersome thing that was scratching my eyeballs every single time I powered my GBA on. And since over 20 years has passed since Pokemon Ruby and Sapphire were released, you can probably already guess what's wrong with these cards. So I've decided to remove all soldered-in batteries in my GBA games and replace them with CR1616 connectors. With that, batteries would get easily interchangeable, and since this battery's lifespan is like over 10 years, then that's profit, right? Before I start working on these cartridges, I will first back up game saves. Not that there is anything valuable there, but in case I mess up, then I could transfer save file to any other card, even to the reproduction one. Software you can see now is for GBA card to PC connector. It lets you to mess with whatever is saved on your GBA and GBA cartridges, both ROMs and saves. It also works with special ones like Game Boy Camera. Link in the description. You can see I have collected some saves already. Fun thing is that there are save modification tools where you can add whatever Pokemon you want to your PC boxes, and that Pokemon might hold whatever item you want. So adding some shiny legendaries, holding Master Ball and putting that save to the original 2003 cartridge, certainly an option. I see this one has already replaced battery, so let's see the voltages and then I will decide if it needs a replacement. And it's over 3 volts. CR batteries, when brand new, have 3.3 volts, but drops to around 3 volts flat, almost instantly once put under load. Such battery will remain at that voltage for years until it drops below somewhere around 2.9. And that means there is very little life in it and it should be replaced. I use metal tweezers because, as you could see before, all of these 3 batteries are dead. So I'm not afraid. And I'm not afraid to die. I'm not afraid to fry any of these cards. Now I have to prepare the connectors. It was difficult to have it on record because the job was delicate. As you could just saw, it was frustratingly easy to snap mounting legs away, but I needed to bend these legs so connector could be soldered to PCB. The first problem I have came across. Connector does not really fit the cartridge's shell. So I snapped a piece of spring connected to the battery's anode, because it reached too high when battery was put in. Then I have ground a bit of a plastic on the connector's top. Yeah, I know, these labels look fake, and are, in fact. But anyway, it still looks better than bare plastic. And great, no dried out battery message popped up, so real-time clock is powered on. And that will be all for today, thanks for watching, bye.